Here it comes.
Oh, it comes. Told you one's coming. And you knew too, but you didn't tell me. How come? Here it comes. I bet you it's a little bit after 8 too. Good going, Harrison. Always around 10 after 8 it comes, remember that. A little bit after 8. This one's pretty long too, huh?
Yeah.
This one got nothing but boxcars on it.
Wow, that's a long train.
I don't think it's going to be as long as the last one we saw a couple of weeks ago. That thing was long. And then it had big cars on it and small cars.
Yep.
This one's all small cars.
Just saw the headlight. It just popped. We just popped the headlight over there. Bye, train.
There it goes. There it goes. Get your seatbelt on.